So the problem is find the derivative of f of x is equal to sin I or arc sin cos 10x cubed. So the formula of an arc sin is equal to f of x is equal to 1 over the square root of 1 minus u squared times the derivative of u. So let's first identify our problems or variables. The u here represents this, which is u is equal to cos 10x cubed, and its derivative will be negative 10 x cubed times the derivative of 10x squared, which is 30x squared. So simplify. Our problem is negative. The derivative of u is negative 30x squared sin over and 10x cubed. That is our u. So let's put it in the, or let's substitute the problem here in the formula, which will be equal to derivative of f of x is equal to 1 over the square root of 1 minus cos 10x cubed raised to 2 times the derivative of u, which is negative 30x squared sin sin 10x cubed. Then let's just place it here, and our answer will be the derivative of arc sin cos x of 10x cubed is equal to negative 30x squared sin 10 by 10x cubed over the square root of 1 minus cos by 10x cubed, and this is the answer. Parang pang explanation, di ba?